Good morning. Just getting up. I'm about to pack in all my stuff into the car, get it set up and prepared. I'll show you as much as I possibly can. Packing that up. And Via should be here probably in a few hours. So, yeah. It's time to go to Ohio and do some camping. I'm super excited. I haven't had a good road trip. Solo road trip in a few months. So I'm super, super excited. Time to start getting everything put in the car. Got my blankets, camera stuff, bags packed. Bed, picnic blanket because I want to sit around outside. And then there's some stuff in storage that I'll have to make sure that I get out. And yeah, it's time to get ready. I haven't had my car packed up for car camping in a while, so, but I mean, the layout that I had was one that worked the best for me. There are some things that I want to do, but I'm not going to be able to do them this trip. This little box here. After this trip, this will be the last go with that box. It's falling apart anyway. I'm actually going to build something that can go over the wheel well and be able to hold the fridge like that. That way it gives me a little bit more space of my own. So, but that'll be the next trip. So it's a pretty easy process. Like I said, I'm pretty used to my setup. So it's just a matter of putting everything back in. And we've still got to get some stuff out of the shed. I think that's everything from the house. got to make sure the bed is comfy. So I will usually put this camp pad under the bed because this floor, this base is so hard just putting the bed on it by itself. So I'll put this on there, just soften it up a bit. You open that valve and it'll inflate itself. Once I close it, it'll keep the air in there. And so I don't travel with the seat down. I just want to kind of get everything set up so. Everything I just need. Got my kettle for hot water. Just the pots. So I can heat up. Got a lighter in my purse. Let me get my blanket. That, no big deal. I can still get to this compartment easy, which has my jumper cables if I need.
But she's wondering if it's gonna finish this forever. Wondering if it's gonna finish this forever.